In this video, you will learn how to calculate hours worked in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have the data about the start of work and end work during different dates, and I have calculated the hours worked using this set of data. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, you can see here that I have entered the date according to specific format according to my requirement. You should also enter the date according to specific format of Excel. If you did not correctly formatted the date, then the Excel will not be able to calculate hours worked. So if you are interested to insert and format date according to Excel formats, then the separate tutorial is already available on our channel. You can watch that tutorial. So in this video we will only focus how to calculate hours work using this set of data. Firstly, select the cell where you want to display the result. For example, I want to display the result here. Click on this cell, then enter equal sign. After enter the equal sign, then I will select the end work, select this cell, put minus sign here. I have inserted minus sign. Then I will select start work cell and press enter. Now you can see here Excel has calculated the hours worked, which is the 9 hours and 15 minutes. If you are interested to calculate the hours worked for remaining rows, then place your cursor here. When plus sign appear, drag it down to remaining cells. You can see here that Excel has calculated the values for these cells, but Excel has not calculated the values for the last rows. This happens because these dates are the start dates and end work date are the same. And in this you can see here the start work start in the evening and the work end on the next morning. So remember that if you are interested to calculate hours worked from the start work and end work which are happening in the same day, then this formula is applicable. And if you are calculated the hours work which start from one date and end and another date, then this formula is not applicable. In next video we will cover how you can calculate that value in which the midnight span is covered. So in next video you will learn how to calculate hours worked in which the work is start in another date and end on another date. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.